In part 1 of this energy series, we looked at how energy is important in our daily lives and how it helps our bodies function. In part 2, we will discuss where energy comes from and how it affects our bodies. Let's divert our attention for a moment to discuss alcohol. Yes, alcohol does provide energy, but it's essential to understand that alcohol acts more like a drug than a nutrient. It does not support health and can be harmful to the body, especially the liver. Even though alcohol isn't good for us, it still contains energy. This is why drinking alcohol while eating can contribute to weight gain. The energy from alcohol adds extra kilojoules to the meal, and when that energy is not used, it gets stored in the body, often as fat. Foods rich in carbohydrates. Now that we understand carbohydrates, proteins, fats, and the energy they provide, let's look at where we can find them in foods. Foods that are high in carbohydrates include sorghum, millet, maize meal, bread, pasta, oats or oatmeal, lentils, beans, peas, all types of vegetables, and all types of fruits. Remember, carbohydrates are the primary source of energy. There are different types of carbohydrates, mainly simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are broken down very quickly into the body. This means they cause a rapid rise in blood glucose or sugar levels. Foods high in added sugars often fall into this category. Complex carbohydrates, on the other hand, usually contain more fiber. Fiber slows down digestion, which allows glucose to be absorbed more slowly into the bloodstream. Because of this slow absorption, complex carbohydrates help prevent sharp blood sugar spikes and provide long-lasting energy. Choosing carbohydrates that are high in fiber supports better blood sugar control, improved digestion, and sustained energy throughout the day. Foods rich in protein. Foods that are good sources of protein include beans, eggs, milk and milk products, lentils, nuts, fish, meat, soy products, termites, mopane caterpillars, locusts, and seeds. Protein-rich foods are important for growth, repair, and health. Protein helps build and repair tissues, such as muscles, skin, hair, and nails. This is particularly important for children, adolescents, pregnant women, and physically active individuals. Protein supports the immune system and is essential for the production of enzymes and hormones. Foods higher in fat. Foods that contain higher amounts of fat include fatty cuts of meat, chicken skin, butter, full cream milk, sausages, cakes, pastries, biscuits, fried fast foods. Oils, avocados, packaged snacks, and nuts. Eating too much fat can lead to weight gain because fat has more than twice the energy of protein and carbohydrates. It can cause obesity if we consume too many fatty foods. Not all fats are the same. Some are healthy and some are unhealthy. The type of fat we eat affects our health. Unhealthy fats include saturated and trans fats. which are found in fatty cuts of meat, processed meats like sausages, fried fast foods, packaged snacks, baked goods such as cakes, pastries, and biscuits. Eating too much unhealthy fat can harm our bodies. Healthy fats, also known as unsaturated fats, can be good for our health when eaten in moderation. You can find these fats in avocados, nuts and seeds, fatty fish like sardines and salmon, olive oil, and other plant oils. Why energy matters in our daily lives. Energy is essential for everything we do. We use energy to cook our food, charge our laptops, and power our homes. Our cars need energy to take us from one place to the other, and our bodies rely on energy to move, think, and breathe, and function every single day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.